Well, right now, my Raspberry Pi is connected via Ethernet, but I have this mini adapter that I bought from Amazon. It's a Wi-Fi adapter. What I want to do is I want to use it and connect to my router that I have from Verizon. It's a Wi-Fi router, and basically, the first thing you do is you plug this in. Let me just do that real quickly for you guys. Hopefully you can see this. Well, I'll put it on the bottom port, so it'll be easier for me to put the keyboard on top just in case if I need to. Alright, so that mini Wi-Fi adapter is in right now. After plugging it in, I'm gonna go to my computer and SSH into my Raspberry Pi, and hopefully I'll teach you guys what commands and everything, what file you might have to modify to make that little adapter work. At the end, I'm gonna take out the yellow cable, the Ethernet cable, and show you guys that it's working. Also have a connection made to Raspberry Pi wirelessly. Alright. On my desktop, I want to log on SSH into my Raspberry Pi. So I'm gonna enter my command on the terminal screen, SSH pi at Raspberry Pi, and hit enter. It's asking you to, if you wanna, it's asking for authenticity of host Raspberry Pi. And I'm just gonna go yes. Enter my password. Right now I have my default password. I just installed a fresh installation, Raspberry Pi, Raspbian Wheezy, um, Raspbian Wheezy operating system. My password right now is Raspberry. I hit enter, logs me in, and first thing I want to do is, and before I do anything else, I want to tell you guys something. Setting up Wi-Fi on Raspberry Pi will require your router to be broadcasting your SSID. So whatever router you have, you must broadcast your SSID. So in order for Wi-Fi to work on Raspberry Pi, it requires you to have your SSID broadcasting, okay? It won't work for private SSID routers. So you must have public SSID broadcasting. And next thing would be to check and see if your USB adapter is being read by Raspberry Pi. So you hit the command, you type the command ls USB and hit enter. It will tell you all your USB devices and what is connected and what is not connected. And my fourth device is 802.11n wireless adapter, which means my Raspberry Pi is reading that device that I have plugged onto it, the wireless USB adapter. Next thing I want to do is edit my network interfaces file. In order to do that, I type in the command sudo nano /etc network interfaces. Okay, this is the file where you have all your network interfaces settings. I want to modify WLAN. Okay. And another thing I want to let you guys know that you must have your Wi-Fi router setting set for WPA. I'm not really sure how the setting would be for how to set it up for WEP setting and set up without no password. You know, you must have a password set up and your Wi-Fi must be WPA. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to add a line. You want to add auto W lane 0. Basically, you add this line and go down, change manual to DHCP, and remove the below lines and type WPA-SSID. Type in whatever SSID you have right for your router. Mine is always off. Now I want to type in the password key. So you type WPA-PSK, your password. My password is this. Okay, so that's about it. All you have to do is, after this, well, first of all, I want to show you guys what is my IP address right now. So I go ifconfig to check what is my current IP address is 192.168.1.23, and it is assigned to my interface ETH0, which is the cable that I have plugged in. And basically what I'm gonna do now to show you guys if this is working or not, I'm gonna restart my Raspberry Pi and have the Ethernet cable taken out. I'll show you guys what's gonna happen. I'll basically restart it and see what IP address I have assigned afterwards. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna take out the cable now. So I only have the little Wi-Fi adapter plugged in. Take this cable out just to restart it and put it back in the power cable. I was lazy, so I didn't want to go through the command prompt or whatever. So restart, and I'm gonna try to connect back on my desktop. I'm back on my desktop. I'm gonna try to SSH back into. Seems like it's not reading it. Well, hold up. My host name is Raspberry Pi. Okay. My password is Raspberry. Okay. I have the Ethernet cable taken out, and basically want to make sure that my IP address is assigned from my Wi-Fi adapter. So type in ifconfig. Here, I have a different IP address now. Well, basically that means working. You guys can see I'll make another video on my iPhone, and the yellow cable is out. Working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's about it. The yellow cable is out. It's working.